Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you the app not installed error problem while you're trying to install an app on your phone. So for instance, I want to install an app here. So I'll go to installation files, and then I'm intending to install this first app here, that one, the Matrix clone, this one. So let me install it. So you see, I'm encountering this problem, app not installed. But if you get this problem on your side, don't panic. So this is how we fix this problem. So first, you will have to open your Play Store. So once you have opened your Play Store, you will have to tap on the profile icon. This is the profile icon I'm talking about. Yeah, it is on the top right corner. So you tap on it to open. So once you have opened it, you will have to scroll down to where there is Play Protect. So here is the Play Protect. And then you click on it to open. Check on the top right corner. Yeah, you'll have to see the setting icon. So you'll have to tap on it to open the setting icon. So once you open it, you will see these scan apps with Play Protect and improve harmful app detection. So these two, you are going to, what you need to do is you turn them off, the two of them. So ensure that you turn them off. So you turn off all of them. Yes, once you have turned them off, you exit Play Store and then you go back to where your app is and try to install it and see. So this is the app that I'm intending to install, this one, Matrix clone. So I'm going to click on it to open, and then I'll tap on install. So you can see that the app has been installed successfully.